My friends, in this class now, let's now proceed to your trigonometry, differentiation of trigonometry, and that practical will be our lesson 7. Are you ready to dance? Now, before we learn trigonometry, very simple. Don't forget that my name is Emmy, one-time Grammy Award winner, Grammy boy, right? Now, let's see. Before we learn trigonometry, we have to dance. We need to know the 6 trigonometric differentiation functions. And what are they? Let's start with the first guy. Number 1, if we have y and we have y prime, take note that sine x is cos x. If you differentiate sine, you will get cos. So sine x cos x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x. This sine is the y, this is the y prime. Sine x cos x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x. Cos x minus sine x, cos x minus sine x, cos x minus sine x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x, cos x minus sine 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 x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x, cos x minus sine x, cos x minus sine x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x, cos x minus sine x, cos x minus sine x, cos x minus sine x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x, sec x sec x, tan x sec x sec x, tan x sec x sec x, tan x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x, cos x minus sine x, cos x minus sine x, cos x minus sine x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x, sec x sec x, tan x 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 sec x sec x, tan cosec x minus cosec x cot x, cosec x minus cosec x cot x, cosec x minus cosec x cot x, there's minus here. Cosec x minus cosec x cot x, cosec x minus cosec x cot x, cosec x minus cosec x cot, cosec x minus cosec x cot x, cosec x minus cosec x cos x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x minus sine x, cos x minus sine x, cos x minus sine x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square sec x sec x, tan x sec x sec x, tan x sec x sec x, tan x sec x sec cosec x minus cosec x cos x, cosec x minus cosec x cos x, cosec x minus cosec x, and cot x minus cosec square x, cot x minus cosec square x, cot x minus cosec square x, cot x minus cosec square x. These are the 6, and if you don't know these 6, you can't solve. So close your eyes, pause this video, start to sing it on your own. Sine x cos x, sine x cos x, sine x cos x minus sine x, cos x minus sine x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x, tan x sec square x, sec x sec x, tan x sec x sec x, tan x cosec x minus cosec x cot x, cosec minus cosec x cos x, cosec x minus cosec x cot x, cosec x minus cosec x cot x minus cosec square x, cot x minus cosec square x, cot x minus cosec square x. So go to one side of the window, write them. Because if you don't know this goddamn 6 building workshop, you can't solve the building workshop stuff inside the workshops. You feel me right there? Sine x cos x minus sine x, tan x sec square x, sec s sec s, tan s cosec s minus cosec s cot s, cosec s minus cosec s cot s, and your cot x minus cosec square s. If you say you have learned this, let's start question. We're about the example, right? Let's see example 1. We're giving y is equal to tan 5x and y is equal to sine. Let's start with the first guy, alright? So let's rule. So we have y is equal to tan 5x. So if numberless y is equal to tan 5x, I only know what is tan. What's tan x sec square x? So I don't know for 5x. What I'm going to do is that I'll tell them that let u be equal to 5x. So what's now become y now? Y be equal to tan u. So I'll find u prime. I'll find this is u to x. So I find du over dx. What's du over dx? Differentiate 5x, you're going to have 5. So I'll find y to u, dy over du. Dy over du is equal to what's tan u? Tan x sec square x. So this one will be sec square u, because the derivative of tan u is sec tan x sec square x, but you're using u here. Now, what's now dy over dx? Dy over dx will give me du all over dx times dy over du, so that if the u cancel the u, you get dy over dx. Are you seeing that? So practically this now becomes dy all over dx now become 5. What's the over dx? That's 5 times what's dy over the u? Sec square u. And what's your u? Your u is 5x, so my answer becomes practically 5 sec square. U is 5x. Are you with me? Are you with me? Now let's do the other question. We have y, that's I now. We have y is equal to sine 3x. So let u be equal to what? 3x. So what now become y? Y become what? Sine u. What's the u over dx? The u over dx is equal to, what's the u over dx? The u over dx is equal to what? 3. So what's now the y to the u? The y all over the u is equal to sine x cos x. So this will be me cos u. So what's now the y over dx? The y over dx is the u all over dx times the y all over the u. And this will practically give me the y over dx is equal to, what's the u over dx? 3. That's 3 times the y over the u, that's cos u. That will give me 3 cos u. What's u? U is 3x, that's 3 cos 3x. Now, should I give you a bad cut? Bad cut. I would differentiate CO. Differentiate, let's do it. Differentiate 5x. What am I going to have? 5. Differentiate tan. What's tan? 6 square. Repeat this 5x. Yeah, this is the question. Differentiate 3. So I'm going to have 3. Differentiate sine. What's the value of sine? Sine x cos, that's cos. Repeat here, that's 3x. It's my bad cut. Are you seeing that? Let's go to the next example.
Hold on a bit. As far as 100 level is concerned, right, for both first and second semester, your complete series of classes, including your practicals, everything from beginning to the end is in the LearnLift app. All you have to do is just march down to your Play Store or App Store and download the LearnLift app, and then you're going to have access to every singular class. So just move down to tertiary, click on tertiary plan, where you are going to see all your classes as far as your 100 level is concerned. And guess what? Your video lessons are there, your CBT is there, you have access to your past questions, you have access to your notes. Very, very important. Man, this semester you must do well. Anyway, let's proceed quickly as we march down to our class and continue our class. Enjoy.
So example 2, now we're given that y is equal to cot square 3x square. Now this cot square, now let's rule this part. Now, we have y is equal to cot square 3x cubed. Now, this is different because of this square. Now, hope you know that this is the same thing as saying cot 3x cubed or square. In maths, in trig, this square is not for this guy, it's for everybody. That's why they put cot square 3x cubed. The square there is for everybody. So the square is like saying cot 3x cubed times cot 3x cubed. That's how we say cot 3x cubed square. So from here, that means we now say that now y is equal to cot 3x cubed or square. From here, now what now? So now let u be equal to cot. Hope you know that will be a function of a function. Cot will be cot. U be equal to cot 3x cubed. So what will now be y now? Y will now be equal to what? U squared. Abi? So from here now, let's find the u over dx. The u over dx. Now this is another function of a function. Are you seeing that? This is another function of your what? Function. Now, do you over dx, you do use bad cut or you use the normal long cut? First of all, now you have to introduce k. But if I'm using bad cut now, just tell them that using bad cut now, I'll differentiate this. This is 3x cubed. If I differentiate that, what will it give me? That will be equal to, differentiate this. This will give me 3 times this. That will be 9x squared. What's cot x? Cot x is equal to what? Minus cosec square x. I mean, cot x minus cosec square x. That will be, cot will give me minus cosec square. Now, repeat what is here. 3x cubed. Now, this is practically saying minus 9x squared cos 6 squared 3x cubed. So what now give you the y over du? The y over du is equal to what? To u. So what now give you the y over dx? The y over dx now give me du all over dx times dy all over du. That will practically give me, this will give me 2u. First of all, du over dx is this, that's minus 9x squared cosec square 3x cubed times 2u. So this will practically give me what's u? You know what u is now? First of all, this 2 times 9, that will give me minus 18 x squared cosec square 3x. What's u? Cot 3x cubed. This is the answer. Now, if you are not use bad cut, the I use here. If you want to use long cut, let's use long cut so that somebody will say, how did I get this? If I'm using long cut now, let's say u was cot 3x cubed. Normally we are going to say, let's introduce k. Let k be equal to what? 3x cubed. So that u will now be equal to what? Cot k. Is that correct? What's now du of the k? Du of the k, what's cot k? Cot k will give me minus cosec k. Here, what's the k? All over dx. K of dx give me 3 times 3, that's 9. That's 9x squared. So what's now? This was u to x. So what now become du over dx? Du over dx will give me the k all over dx times du all over the k. So that if the k cancel the k, you're going to have du over dx, which is this. So du all over dx will now be equals to what's the k? That's 9x squared times, this will give me minus cosec square. What's k? K is 3x squared now from here. That's 3x cubed, which will give me minus 9x squared cosec square x cosec square 3s cubed. And that was all together minus s square cosec square 3s cubed. So what I just did was bad cut. I took that to use bad cut now. Differentiate the 3s cubed, you get 9s square. Differentiate cut, you're going to get minus cosec square. And repeat the 3x. Do you understand that? Now, if you don't understand, you can pause it and watch it over and over. Let's take another question. Give me y is equal to sine x cos x. Now, do you observe that this is product rule trig? How is it product rule? Let u be equal to sine x. Let v be equal to cos x. So what's now y? Y is equal to uv. Our product rule says if you have y is equal to uv, it is vu prime plus uv prime. So for me now, what will be our u prime? U prime, what's sine x cos x? What's v prime? What's cos x minus sine x minus sine x? So what's now be y prime? Y prime, which is product is given as vu prime plus u v prime. So y prime now we go to what's u? That's cos x into what's u prime? U prime cos x plus this is u, this is v now, and this is u prime. So this is u. What's u? Sine x. What's v prime? Minus sine x. So this sine x times x give me what? Cos square x minus sine square x. So y prime is equal to cos square x minus sine square x, and that becomes the what? The answer. Do you understand that? Now, if you say you understand that, practically we are done with trig. Go to my notes. There are many questions on trig. Just be solving them. They have the same pattern. Don't forget sine x cos s minus sine s tan s square s sec s tan x cosec s minus cosec s cot x, and your cot x minus cosec square x. I'll see you in inverse trig. Here we have to prove. So I'll see you in inverse trig. See you in the next class. Peace out. Bye. Go to the notes. Solve more questions on trig so that you understand it more. Bye.
Hope you've enjoyed this class. Guess what? To follow up for more classes, just download the LearnLift app, whether on Play Store or App Store, and then follow up your classes. You must do extremely well. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.